Hello student, my friend, you are watching NPTEL Chemistry E-class and I am Chemistry Detective to solve your Chemistry class 11th NCERT problem 1.32. So our problem is calculate the molar mass of naturally occurring argon using following data. This problem is based on concept of molar mass, in fact average molar mass. There are certain elements which in nature exist in form of isotopes. I mean, for such elements, two or more than two atoms occur in nature having same atomic number, same chemical behavior, but different mass numbers. One such instance is of argon. In case of argon, in nature there is occurrence of its three isotopes, argon 36, argon 38 and argon 40. They have same atomic number 18, but their atomic mass number or molar mass is different. For one isotope it is 36, for second it is 38 and for third it is 40. Their isotopic molar mass is given and their percentage abundance is also given. Now we have to, from this data, using this data we have to calculate molar mass of naturally occurring argon. And idea is that average molar mass is the average of molar mass of all the isotopes of an element. Average molar mass is the average of molar masses of all the isotopes of an element and is calculated using formula average molar mass is equal to summation of products of molar mass of isotope first, its percentage abundance of isotope first, product of molar mass of isotope second and its percentage abundance, plus product of molar mass of isotope third and its percentage abundance of third divided by 100 So in order to calculate the average molar mass of argon, we will use this formula, that average molar mass is the summation of products of molar mass and percentage abundance of all its isotopes divided by 100. And for this specific case of argon, it has three atoms differing in their molar masses. So its average molar mass will be equal to summation of products of molar mass and percentage abundance of its three isotopes represented by first, second and third. Now I will simply substitute the given parameters, molar mass of its three isotopes, percentage abundance of its three isotopes, and then I will divide by 100 in order to find correct or average molar mass of argon. For isotope first, molar mass is 35.96 multiplied by its percentage abundance, that is 0.337, plus molar mass of second isotope, which is 37.96 multiplied by its percent abundance 0.063, plus 39 molar mass of third isotope 39.96 multiplied by 99.6, and this I have to divide by 100. This is molar mass of isotope first, its percentage abundance, molar mass of isotope second, its percentage abundance, molar mass of isotope third, its percentage abundance. I have to evaluate this RHS side, and I have already evaluated its value. In order to save your time, it comes equal to 39.98 gram per mole. This is our answer, that average molar mass of argon, average molar mass of argon is 39.98. So for element argon, we need not to take its molar mass equal to 36, 38 or 40. Its molar mass we have to take equal to 39.98, which is its average molar mass, because it is equal to average of molar masses of its three isotopes, calculating using this formula. Likewise, if in your exams you are given that a particular element has this many number of isotopes, and this is their molar mass and this is their percentage abundance, you simply have to use this formula and you will be able to find average molar mass of that element. And it may or may not come fractional. Here it has come equal to 39.98, which is not whole number, which is fractional, because it is average molar mass. Thank you. This is what I have got for you in this short session.